An AR-15 is a type of semi-automatic rifle that is widely recognized for its modular design and versatility. It was originally developed in the 1950s by Eugene Stoner for military use, but has since become popular among civilians for sport shooting and self-defense. The AR-15 operates using a gas-operated direct impingement system that cycles the firearm's action after each shot. When a round is fired, gases from the ignited gunpowder are diverted through a small port in the barrel into a gas tube. These gases then push a piston or directly impinge on the bolt carrier group, causing it to move backward. This rearward motion extracts the spent cartridge case from the chamber and ejects it from the rifle. Simultaneously, a spring-driven buffer mechanism pushes the bolt carrier group forward again, chambering a new round from the magazine. The modularity of the AR-15 allows users to customize their rifles with different barrels, stocks, and accessories to suit various preferences and needs. Understanding how the AR-15 works, step by step, clarifies its technological design and operational complexity.